This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Thermostat replacement. Pull the hood release lever located below the steering column. Push the hood safety latch to the side, then raise the hood. Open the trunk and remove the floor mat. Then unscrew the large nut and remove the trunk floor panel. Remove the spare tire or air compressor as applicable. Loosen the cable bolt from the negative battery terminal, then disconnect the negative battery cable. Position the cable aside to prevent accidental reconnection. Squeeze the hose clamp and slide it back on the hose. Then disconnect the radiator hose from the thermostat housing cover. Remove the thermostat housing cover bolts, then remove the thermostat assembly from the engine. Detach the thermostat from the cover, then clean the cover and housing sealing surfaces. Install a new sealing ring on the thermostat with the cutout on the seal aligned with the jiggle pin on the thermostat. Place the thermostat into the housing cover with the jiggle pin and tab on the seal aligned with the notch in the cover. Install the thermostat and cover to the housing and install the bolts. Tighten the bolts to the specified torque setting. Connect the radiator hose to the housing cover, then secure the hose with the clamp. Attach the negative cable to the battery and tighten the bolts securely. Set the air compressor or spare tire into place. Install the floor panel and tighten the nut securely, then lay the floor mat in place.